If you're wondering how you can use call screening on your iPhone, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now, first of all, we will have to enable call screening on our iPhone. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Phone app, then tap on it. Now, from here, just scroll down and look for the option of Screen Unknown Callers. Now, under this section, if Screen Unknown Callers is on Never, then this feature will be disabled. Now, to enable it, you either have the option to select Silence, and by selecting Silence, you will silence unknown calls on your iPhone, and they will be sent to your voicemail. But if you want to ask the caller before you pick up the call, just select Ask Reason for Calling. Now, after you select this option, you will be able to ask the caller for the reason of their calling. Now, for example, if you receive a phone call from an unknown number, your iPhone will ask the unknown caller for their information before the iPhone rings. And this is how you can use call screening on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.